stopping in. I just wanted to come, I guess, I don't know if this is going to be part of the other video because I was getting ready to edit it and I realized that I have like over like 2 hours worth of footage, and I doubt very seriously y'all would actually want to watch a 2-hour vlog. So this might be a totally different, separate thing, but I need to get those videos off of my phone. So before I start, I'm not gonna do washing because I have a total load of clothes and stuff that I need to wash. I am going to show you guys what I got in the mail. If y'all are wondering what I'm putting on, I am putting on this is Art of the Root Money Gone Oil, and I swear by this stuff. Like, I think for me, the longer you let it sit in, I guess, deep, the more that it works. Because this don't, it works. Like, it works. As you can see, I'm almost through, and this expires October 19th. So this should be gone before then. So I'm getting back into using it again. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the mail. First up, I received this OGX Nourishing Plus Coconut Milk Shampoo and Conditioner. So I've used OGX, like the body wash, but I've never used the shampoo and conditioner. So I have the shampoo, and I also have the conditioner, which I am really excited to try both of these because they smell just like coconut. So I'm really excited to give these a try. It's supposed to be for strength, elasticity, hydration, and balancing for healthy hair. So, but hey, y'all, I finally, I'm saying again, finally got my stuff from Mielle. Once you guys, I don't know which one's gonna be up first, whether this one or the other. I'm trying to get the other one up first, but once you watch that vlog, you know that I had the most, I can't even put into words. It was a bad experience with mine. So it was literally a month later before this stuff shipped out, and I finally got it. So yeah, when I got the stuff, when I opened it up, the box of stuff, two of my products were messed up. But I know I had a horrible time with customer service trying to get my stuff. I know it probably wouldn't be any better if I would try to get them to send me a non-defective product, but I digress. Anyway, I ordered the Sea Moss blend. It's the anti-shading. This is the gel hair mask infused with salt. I think it's palmetto. So I got this. One thing I don't particularly like is that I think probably what would have helped prevent one of my products from being wasted in the bottom of the box is that they don't have like the protective film over them. But this is what the gel mask looks like. I'm trying to get it so you can focus on it, but it's focusing on me instead. But that's what it looks like. It looks like gel. So I can't wait to get this to try to see what it will do for my hair, because it says on the bottom it's supposed to promote shine and great slip. So we'll see, because I can put whatever I want to in my hair and it will be like nothing. But it smells really, really good. It smells like mint cologne, so it smells really good. The next part of that line that I got is the anti-shading shampoo and the conditioner. I was expecting these to be a little bit bigger, but that'll work. They're 8 fluid ounces. And then I also got the anti-shading curl pudding. This supposed to help eliminate frizz and add shine. And y'all know how dull my hair is, so I need as much shine as I can get. I'm trying to open this to see. Yeah, it's thick. So can't wait to see what that's going to do. I think it was like a couple more things from that line that they had, but I didn't get them. Yeah, so. And I think like the last thing that I purchased, because I've always wanted a clay mask to try on my hair, but I don't know, I just didn't want to have to mix it together because I don't want to, mess anything up. So what I ended up doing was I saw that Mielle had a rice water clay mask, so I decided to get this. Hold on, I can see that. There we go. Mielle rice water clay mask, and this is the bonus size, so this is a pretty big size. This is like 12 ounces compared to the 8. And you're supposed to be able to use this for your hair and your body. So I don't know if I would actually put it on my body, but I for sure would try it, on my hair. So, and this smells like clay. So that's how consistent, how thick it is. So yeah, I'm just happy that I finally got my freaking product. So because they literally just had it like in this bubble wrap stuff, and it's the rock in the box. I was expecting for it to look a little bit decent because like if you see like little promo boxes they be sending all the influencers, they look like really, really neat. Like they took their time to actually put the box together. They didn't just throw the stuff off in the box, which is exactly what they did with my stuff. But I digress. At least I did get my products finally. So you can't win them all. I gotta clean out my little thingy because I had this burning yesterday. I had to like put water on this because it had the whole entire apartment smoking. So I need to clean this out. Get all this out of here, and burn my new sage. I need to buy some fake Los Santos too. It was happy yesterday. I'm sorry. I had this burning, and now I was like, well, let me put it by the window so that it won't smoke up the house. But I took it from the window because people were not cleaning, cutting the grass, and I didn't want them to think that something was on fire in here when it wasn't. So I moved it from the window, put it here on the table, and I think I was making breakfast, and then I kind of turned around. I was like, why is it so smoky in here? And then I realized that it was like smoking. So I tried to move it towards the window, and it was like smoking even more. So I was like, well, let me go ahead and put this out before the fire alarm goes off. So I grabbed it and I put it like in the water and I doused it, and I put it out. And so I had to turn on the humidifier to get some of the smokiness out. I had the fan going, I had the window open. I was like trying because it was smoky in here. It was like crazy, like so. But yeah, I got it down and everything's good. So I did a little crisscross on top of my head because I honestly take these braids down because of the front. But looks so hot this, but I don't feel like taking my hair down just like right now. I might take it down probably Tuesday. I can't take it out Monday because it's gonna take me all day, and I have to go to that stupid meeting Monday. I hope I gotta go, but I really don't want to go. But anyway, if you keep seeing this is that food tape. I literally used almost the whole container of that first, like the one roll of food tape, because I do not understand how to put this stuff on. But I think they're pretty secure for right now. We got them in there. They not moving. They're not going on. That shit, because I've used, like, I have pieces going up this way. I have two pieces each going up this way. I have a piece up at the bottom. I have a piece on the side because I had like a little spillage, and then I put like a whole piece across the top to try to keep it together. So we're gonna see how, it's comfortable. Like, it's not weighing down on me or anything. It's like really, really comfortable. But I guess I have to get used to, wearing it or putting it on. But yeah, this is what we're going for today. It's just gonna have to do, and it's probably gonna be how we're gonna be going for tomorrow too, because I'm not. Yeah, this is. Matter of fact, how my hair is gonna be tomorrow too. Oh, I got a email, but yeah, I'm gonna go do what I need to, and then I shall return.